Kumshibenta na kajing Rakhe ya ke World Clubfoot de la pelong ya ke program ke Bakrepang ha State Convention Center panken mau ya kajing yai lenti jong ki khatsan ngut ki kena ki bala Sya Sumar ya ke nega program la pelong lang da ke State Resource Center on Disability Affairs derai Syria Bal Swachia Karyakram RBSK Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission MECDM and Sura Mandala Foundation.
Start participating in it, you will see the results. In fact, as I mentioned, we have seen the results in in the health department in the last 4 or 5 years. We could see that one because we started investing on a daily basis, and everyone is participating. So here the participation has to happen at 2 levels. One, those who are working with the government for the people, especially entire government workforce. I call government workforce, especially the frontline government workforce. They're very, very, very important. For example, they need to know that they need to really educate people. They need to really go and work, understand the problems of the people, try to solve the problems, at their level as much as possible. They should not say that they are not able to do because something is not there, but whatever the resources that you have, should start actually solving the problems of the people. At the same time, we also have to ensure that we need to build the capacity of the people. We need to really we need to build organizations. That's why we have come out with some concept called village health councils in the state. Idea is that how people can be involved, people can actually take a lot of interest, people can actually identify the problems early. So both it requires the proactive outreach from the government functionaries, at the same time proactive outreach from the communities, and of course we also have to work along with the civil society organizations, developmental organizations. We should always take their support too. But that is the kind of a model that actually we have been working, and I'm very glad that all these initiatives are coming to basically developing well, and we can see some early results. As I said, I think I wish with this particular day, I think a lot more sensitization would happen and a lot more awareness would happen, and that would actually lead to as Baron has mentioned, we need to that leads to unleashing the potential of every child. Every child has that capacity. Every child has a right to live a very good quality life. I think that life can be provided only if we actually take this, very, very, I would say, early interventions are interventions that really help them to really give their best to these words.